Guys, I found this video on the internet and then it's so fascinating, so wonderful. This video simply shows how you can actually do your own homesteading, can grow pineapple at home. You can see what is going on here. Very nice. This man just grew his own pineapple just at his own backyard. Very simple. You don't need to be spending much money in the mall. You can actually start your own homegrown foods at home. Can imagine. What it's going to do now is to actually detach the pineapple from the stalk or from the flower. Then he's going to plant this very pineapple stalk back into the soil. So you can see at the end of this video, you will see what will emerge. So guys, this video is this shows you can actually start your own homegrown food at home. You can actually grow pineapple, grow your tomatoes, grow your potatoes at home, and then you have food all year round. No need to spend much money uh, on groceries. You can see he's detaching the excess leaves so that he can actually plant. Uh, okay, now you can see he's preparing his planting bags. So that's another one. You must not plant uh, in the ground. You can actually plant in a container or a sack like this. So you can actually help grow your foods. Wow, what is this? Is that not potato? Hmm? Maybe to enhance growth and the rooting of the pineapple stalk. Wow. So it's actually placing the potato slice inside the bag or inside the soil before planting. Wow, this is nice. Guys, you should try this. I'm going to try it to see the outcome. So put in the comment section what do you think about this idea, planting in the bags, pineapple in the bags. So this is wonderful, man. Wow. Now he's planting. You can see he's planting right on top of the potato slice. I don't know. Is that potato? Yeah, I think that's potato. Wow. I can't wait to see the outcome, guys. I can't wait to see the outcome of this, man. This is so interesting. I'm going to try it out. Wow. 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 I think it's going to water, yeah? Going to water them. Question is how long can this take to actually bear fruit? How long can this take to bear fruit? Now he's done watering. He's done watering them. Wow. Wow. This is so interesting. Hmm. Guys, could you put in the comment section what do you think about this idea? Have you tried it? Does it work? Is this real? Wow. Whoa, 2 months. Oh, they've grown so big. Look at the leaves. Wow, wow. 2 months. This is so interesting. Wow. They've grown so big and they are very healthy. That despite being in a sack. Despite being in a sack, they've grown so big, man. This is wonderful. Can't wait to see the outcome. Interesting. Wow. Probably in no distant time, the flowering. Oh, 4 months. 4 months already, man. Wow. Flowering stage at the moment. Wow. Hmm, that's tiny pineapple. Eventually, we'll get to a very big pineapple there. Wow. This is interesting. 4 months after. Wow. It takes pineapple 4 months to start fruiting. 6 months. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is interesting, man. In 6 months, everything is done, man. Can you imagine? Oh, they came out so nice. I can't wait to try this, man. I'm gonna try it in my farm. I'm gonna try it in my farm to see the outcome. I love this. Oh, this pineapple, they look yummy, man. They look so yummy, and I can bet you it's gonna be sweet. Those pineapples are gonna be sweet, man. Wow. Hmm. Oh, the farmer just arrived to harvest his crop, man. Wow, this is interesting. So fast in 6 months, you can actually have your pineapple ready on your table, man. Why spend on groceries? You can actually grow your fruit, grow your tomatoes, your potatoes, pineapples like this, everything. Even fruit trees, you can actually convert your idle farm or your idle garden into some of these. Wow, he's detaching the leaf. I guess it's fully ready for harvest. Wow, wow. This is interesting. Guys, put it in the comment section. What do you think about this idea? This is interesting, man. Have you tried this before? If you've tried, put it in the comment section. Tell us the outcome. How long does it take for a pineapple fruit to be ready, to be matured for harvest? Wow, this is interesting, man. What do you think? Hmm, hmm, hmm. Trust me, I'm going to try this. This is interesting. And the good thing about pineapple is that you can actually regrow the pineapple, kind of recycling from the stalk. That's the leaf. That's the leaf. You can actually grow the pineapple off the leaf. You don't need the seed. Don't know. Does pineapple have seed? I don't think so. So you don't need seed to grow pineapple. You can grow pineapple off the stalk. That's the leaf stalk at the top. You can actually grow from there. Wow. Hmm. The sacks are weak now. They are weak. They withered over time. Wow. Hmm. Off it goes. This is interesting. Wow. I wish I can test this pineapple to see how sweet. Man, it's gonna be interesting, man. I wish I can test them to see how sweet they are. Wow, wow. Guys, man, this is interesting. Put in the comment section if you're gonna try this at home or if you've tried it before, you can actually tell us. Wow. Woo. Wow. Off it goes. They're ready. Good one. Good one. Guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. This is interesting.